Have you ever wanted to buy a fountain pen, but you felt intimidated by all these new terms like nib size or filling system? Well, don't worry, this video is for beginners, and for today, I'm going to explain to you how to use a fountain pen converter to fill up your fountain pen with ink. Of course, there are some exceptions here and there. For example, the Kunisaki Glass Pen Special Edition has a very unique filling system, or some vintage fountain pens have a piston filler system. However, most modern fountain pens can use a cartridge or a converter. That's why for today I'll be explaining how to use a converter.
We start by choosing the ink. I chose this gorgeous Saishiki pink ink. Remove the cap from your fountain pen before removing the grip section, revealing the converter inside. To lower the piston and expel all the air within, you must twist the knob, that's the black part, counterclockwise. Once it's all the way down, you can submerge the nib fully into the bottle of ink. You can now start twisting the knob clockwise, thus raising the piston and absorbing the ink into the converter. Take 2 sheets of soft tissue or a cloth and wipe the excess ink off of the nib. Now you can simply reassemble your fountain pen and get started with writing. As you can see, filling up your ink converter is a simple and easy process. You're one step closer to becoming a pro user of fountain pens. Thanks for watching.